Shift our focus now to Delhi. I'm now being joined by Atul Garg, who's the director of the Delhi Fire Services. This is India's national capital, ladies and gentlemen. And this is where seven babies, some of whom didn't even have a name, were charred to death. Atul Garg, thank you very much for joining us. Can you help us understand what exactly caused the fire at the Delhi hospital where these 12 children were admitted?
Exactly, देखिए अभी नहीं पता चल पा रहा है. It will come once the inquiry will start and then we'll know exactly what was the cause of fire. But it seems it is also started with the electricity due to the failure of electricity.
Okay. So the fact is that 70% fires anywhere across the country happen because of short circuit. So maybe that was a reason. Have you been able to identify any lapses so far, sir?
See, lapse, I will not say because this building was never referred to as, never inspected by the DFS. So we are not exactly aware about the building, what type of a building was and everything else. But there was only one staircase, as my team told me. Number one. Number two, there was no fire safety arrangement in the building at the time of fire.
So, sir, you are telling me essentially that the entry and the exit was the same, one staircase. और एक भी फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर नहीं था इस हॉस्पिटल में. Is that what you're telling me?
जी हाँ, ऐसा बताया गया है मेरी टीम ने कि सर एंट्री और एग्जिट एक ही था और वो ब्लॉक हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ ब्लास्ट ऑफ सिलेंडर, क्योंकि सिलेंडर एंट्री के पास ही रखे हुए थे और इसी वजह से जो है हमें दो टीम बनानी पड़ी थी. एक टीम ने फायर फाइटिंग की थी और दूसरी टीम जो थी दूसरे के छत से जाके बच्चों को रेस्क्यू किया गया था. तो दैट वाज द ओनली एग्जिट अवेलेबल एट दैट टाइम.
So, sir, just help us understand that. Had the entry and the exit been different, which is basic actually, which is basic for any facility, the lives of these children who have died, 7 of them, babies actually, could have been saved?
100%. 100%. And if one more flaw was there, nobody was there to guide us. See, everybody ran away. So, nobody was there how many cylinders are there, because when cylinder are blasting and स्प्लिंटर जो सिलेंडर के थे 50-50 मीटर दूर गए, तो हमारे आदमियों को भी, हमें अपनी सेफ्टी भी देखनी थी और बच्चों को भी निकालना था. तो कोई गाइड करने वाला नहीं था. एक तो ये कि कितने बच्चे वहां पे हैं, नंबर वन. नंबर टू, कितने सिलेंडर हैं कि सिलेंडर और तो नहीं फटेंगे. तो ये भी एक बड़ा हमारा उसमें दुर्भाग्य रहा हमारा कि nobody was there to guide us. Only there was lot of people, lot of commotion, lot of people making video, but nobody was guiding us कि how many children are there, कितने सिलेंडर और हैं. That was also little bit impediment to my job.
But sir, it is being said that there were 2 nurses on duty and there was 1 junior doctor on duty as well. A doctor called Dr. Akash, who's now been arrested. Are you saying none of them were there when the fire department reached the neonatal facility?
एक्चुअली जब हम लोग पहुंचे तो कोई नहीं था. आई डोंट नो क्या हुआ, वो डर की वजह से छिप गए या भाग गए या ब्लास्ट हुआ तो इसलिए उन्होंने अपनी जान बचा ली. पर क्योंकि मैं उस टाइम लाइन में था, मैं खुद उस कॉल को मॉनिटर कर रहा था उस टाइम में, तो ये 1:30 बजे की बात है जब इन्होंने 12 बच्चों को बाहर निकाल लिया था. तो मैंने पूछा कि भाई किसी से पूछो और बच्चे हैं नहीं तो वी कैन कॉल ऑफ द ऑपरेशन. तो उन्होंने बताया सर कोई नहीं है, वी हैव टू सर्च होल प्रीमिसेस, क्योंकि छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे तो आई कैन नॉट लीव लाइक दिस. तो उन्होंने फिर 2 बार प्रीमिसेस को सर्च किया, जब कोई नहीं मिला देन वी कॉल्ड ऑफ कि नहीं अब कोई नहीं है.
Sir, you have just told me that no district fire officer had ever visited this neonatal facility. How is that possible, sir? For any hospital to exist, for any neonatal facility to exist, for any society to exist, for any shopping complex to exist, there has to be an NOC from the fire department to say that this building is fireproof. How is it possible that there was no fire check at all?
See, all building are not required NOC from fire department. In case of hospital, if building is having height less than 9 meters, they don't require NOC from fire department. So maybe this building may be running under grab of less than 9 meters. That's why they have not approached us, or this building was not sent to us for inspection.
Sir, can I ask you, in this case, in the case of this neonatal facility, where 7 children have died, which would be the nodal agency that should have come to the fire department and said, this is a building that exists, this is where babies are admitted on a regular basis, and it needs to have a fire clearance? What would that nodal agency have been?
See, that's why I'm telling you that building or hospital or nursing home having height less than 9 meters do not require NOC from fire department. So we are not aware what is the height of this building. We have already written to MCD to measure the height of this building, then only action can be taken. So presently we have no records. This building was not referred to us, so I cannot say that if this building is required NOC or not, because unless its height is measured, because as per the law, building having height less than 9 meters don't require NOC from my department. Maybe owner may be running under this grab कि इसकी height 9 मीटर से कम है और मेरे को NOC नहीं चाहिए, हो सकता है, ये इंक्वायरी में आएगा.
Okay. Mr. Garg, thank you very much for speaking to us. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Atul Garg who was speaking to us. He is the Delhi Police Fire Chief, telling us that there was absolutely no basic fire safety protocol in place at the neonatal facility where 7 children were killed. 7 babies actually were killed.